In today's video, I am going to teach you how to exclude a segment Mailchimp. When you create an email campaign in Mailchimp, it is important to make sure you are sending the message to the right people. Sometimes, you do not want everyone in your audience to receive the email. Maybe you are updating customers with new information, but you want to exclude people who already received it, or you only want to target a specific group. Mailchimp lets you do this by selecting a segment to exclude, which helps you control who does not get the email. To get started, go to Create, then choose Regular Email. This opens the email builder where you can set up your campaign details. Take a moment to confirm you are on the screen for creating a new regular email, because other campaign types may have slightly different options. Next, open the To section. This is where Mailchimp lets you define who will receive the email. Look for the section labeled something like To, Recipients, or the Audience Targeting area. When you click into it, you should see options for selecting your audience and controlling delivery settings. Now select your audience. Your audience is essentially the main mailing list that contains your contacts. Choose the correct audience that matches the list you intend to work with. This step matters because the segments you will exclude are based on the data inside that specific audience. If you pick the wrong audience, the segment selection may not show what you expect. Once the audience is selected, you will see an option called Do Not Send To. Click that option to open the exclusion settings. This is the key part of the process because it tells Mailchimp that certain contacts should be filtered out and not receive the email. After you open Do Not Send To, you can select the segment you want to exclude. This is where you choose a saved segment from your audience. For example, you might have a segment for subscribers who already purchased, or a segment for people who engaged with a previous campaign. Choose the segment that matches the group you do not want to include in this email. Make sure the selected segment is the one you intend, since this will directly affect who receives the message. Once the correct segment is selected, click Save. This confirms your exclusion rule, and it ensures Mailchimp applies it to your campaign when you send or schedule the email. After clicking Save, take a quick look to confirm that the audience and exclusion settings appear as you expect. If you do not see your segment listed under the exclusion setting, you may need to reselect it and save again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.